Hi everyone, welcome to today's Autocad tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to do your dimensions, and then apart from that I'll also show you how to use your fillets to make arcs. Alright, so let's quickly begin. So to begin, you click on this button which says start drawing. Then from there we can now change our units. We don't know whether our units are in inches or millimeters, so we can change them. You just type on the command button there, units. Then you have this button here, you click on that. So we change the units now. First we change the units from inches to millimeters. Then we change the precision to 0.00. Then here we change it to 0.00. Okay, click on OK. Then we can now begin to do our drawing. So I'm going to start with this part here. This one is the one that seems to be easier for me. So I'll start with this part and then I'll go to this one. So starting with 10, going down, and then going this side 14, going up 3, even this side 3, then going up 4. So you can draw that. So we can, so to activate the line command, you can just click on the line command which is there, or if you want you can just click L and then click enter. Okay, wait. So if the line command is not activated, you can just click L for line and then click enter. Then you can start drawing. So going down, we said it's 10, then going to the right 14, and then going up, this is going up is 3, then going to the left 3, and then going up 4 again. So going up, we said it's 3. So the reason why I'm not finding difficulties to know whether I'm at a 90 degrees angle or not, it's because I've activated okay, I'll show you. Let me just finish what I'm doing. Let me just finish. So going this side is 3 again, then going up is 4. So from there I think we can end, because there is this line, we don't know the gradient of this line and the angle has not been given, so we can just end from there. Then we'll come and continue from this side, and then we'll come and meet this same line at this point. Okay, so we can click enter to stop the line command. Then we click on that again. Then let's try to check the units. So okay, the distance, meaning the diameter of this arc that we've been given here, is simply just 4. So meaning going up we can move 2, even going to the right we move 4, then going down again 2. So I can start my line from there, then I'll go up 2, which is the radius, going to the right 4, then going down 2 again, then going this side, let us check. So going this side 2.4, you can move 2.4 to the right. Okay, so we move 2.4 to the right. Okay, so we can click enter. So now we can join the line, since we don't know the gradient of that line, so it's easier now to just join the two lines there. So when you just join those two lines, we can now shape this head part here. We can also shape this part here. And then how do we do that? So this is the part now where you introduce what are called fillets. So a fillet is there, is found in this tab. Okay, so now you click, for instance, if you want to bend this part, you can check the command tab here down, saying select the first object. But before you do that, you can choose whether you want to use the radius, or you want to trim, or I mean you want to use the radius or a trim or a polyline, but in this case I want to use the radius. So let us check the radius of this same part. So the radius, let's check. So since the diameter is 4, meaning the radius is 2, so I'm going to click R on the keyboard and then click enter. Then it has brought this these numbers in blue there. So I'm going to enter my radius there. So my radius, I said, is supposed to be 2, so I'm going to click on 2 there and then click enter. And then here I can now select my objects. So I'm going to select, I can now select my lines. So I'll select the first line there. Then the moment I move to the next line, it should bend on itself like that. Then I'll click on the on the left button of the mouse. So to repeat the command again, I'll click enter. So after clicking enter, I'll click the first line and then I'll also click the second line. So that is how you do that. This is how you use the fillet. So same applies to this bottom part here. We can do the same. So here we've been told to say the radius is 3. So we change the fillet radius. We click on the fillet there. Then you click R, enter. Then we enter the radius of 3. Then enter again. We click the first line, then the second line. Yeah, so it has bent like that. Bent. Okay, so let's now see what is remaining. So we put now this polygon inside there. This is an hexagon since it has 6 sides. Then we also put the circle with radius 1.6. So let's go to our drawing. So said we put the circle which has, so if you want to find the center of this radius, you simply take your mouse closer to the radius to bring that symbol there which shows you the center of the radius. And at that center you have to draw a circle of radius 1.6. Okay, that's our circle. And then if we want to see the center of this arc here, we can just go on that arc. So before we do that, let's now go on polygons. A polygon is there, then we click the polygon there. So after clicking on the polygon, you can see it has brought a 4 in blue there. So where there is 4 there, since my polygon, the polygon I want to draw there is an hexagon, the hexagon which has 6 sides there. So I'm going to type 6 there, then press enter, and then it has brought those numbers there. So before I even draw my polygon, I need to know the center. So meaning I'll move closer to that radius, to that arc, and then I'll click there, then wait, okay, to start like that. So going this side, so if you check properly here, the diameter of this polygon is 2, meaning the radius is 1. So I'm going to click, so I'll make sure that it's aligned properly like that, and then I'm going to type 1. Okay, so we're done with drawing the shape. Then apart from doing that, I think what the other thing I can show you is how to dimension. So how to put dimensions on this drawing now. So we click on that, and then after clicking on that, we click on annotation. So annotation there, you can just go there on standard. Then on this standard, you can go on manage dimension styles. You can go there, and then from there you can click on new. So on this new, you're going to write the name of that new. So for me, I'll type my name. I'll type my name there, and I'll click continue. Okay, then this will come. So when this comes, I'll have now to set the size of the arrows, the size of the letters and everything. So I'll go on this one. Okay, I'll go on symbols and arrows. So there I'll increase the size of my arrow. Yes, to somewhere, maybe let me try 1.2. And then what else is here which I can change? Alright, so I think let me change the text as well. The text, I'll also maybe put something like maybe 2. We'll test, we'll check if 2 is okay. Then apart from that, you can also change the units. You can put the units. If you want to put millimeters on the suffix, you can put mm there. And then apart from that, what else can we change? Okay, I think let's try and see what we have made so far. If it's okay, if it's not okay, we're going to come and change something. I'm going to change something, so we can okay. Alright, so even this one, because that's how the drawing is. Okay, so we can now close our tab. Then let's begin to dimension. So this part, you don't need to write anything. As long as you've made a correct diagram, it's going to be putting the numbers itself. So we can click on dimensioning there, then we click there. So you can see that the numbers are very big. You need to reduce the size. Then when you go there, so the numbers are very big. So how do we reduce the size? Let's go back. Let's go back to the annotation. Then on Untitled there, then I'll change the styles. So we click on modify. So the text is very big, so let's reduce it to somewhere maybe 1 point or just 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so at least something like this, 0.7 is just okay. Then we also change the precision. Let it be 0.00. Okay, close. Let's now see what will happen. We click on dimension there. The numbers are still big. Let's change. We reduce it a bit again. So first let us escape the command. And then we go there, we manage, we modify. So the numbers are still big. Even the arrows are still, they are too big. We reduce them a bit, or maybe to somewhere like 0.7. And then we also change the numbers to something like 0.6. Okay, let's try and see what this will show. So dimension, then we put, the arrows are still big. So okay, this is basically how you do the dimensioning. Yeah, I want it to look exactly the same as this. At least we should have something which looks like this. So let me just reduce the numbers. Okay, text, we reduce the numbers to 0.3. Maybe it's just okay when the arrows seem to be very big. put it to somewhere 0.5. okay, yeah, so at least this is better, though this is okay. Okay, let me change it. Let me just reduce this a bit. Okay, so let's first delete this. Okay, then let's now dimension. Okay, at least this looks much better. So even this one, we can put it like that. Then from there we up to somewhere up to there. So you can just say 10 if you want. Okay, it's 10 up to that. Then if you want to dimension the axis, okay, let's put the distance from there. With going this side, it was 14. Okay, what else? Here we had 3. There we had 4. Then we had 3 there. Then if you want to dimension, okay, even here I think we can put, this was 2. Now if you want to show the radius of this, I mean this one is showing the diameter, so you can come here and change, say, radius. So this is what they did. Then even this one they showed the diameter. When you check this, it was the diameter they showed. So we can also show the diameter by going there, then click on diameter, then you write it like that. So basically this is how you do the dimensioning and everything. So apart from that, you can also print this this drawing. You can also print it out. So if you want, you can print it, and then you can, before printing it, you can first check the layout. You can see where the mouse is, my mouse is. So this is my model, then this is my layout number 1. See how it's looking. It's looking nice. We've managed to print it out. This is how it looks. Okay, though this line was bent the time I was making the dimensions. Okay, let me just delete it. So I can start from there. Going down 10. Okay, it's now okay. And then from there you can see now. You can see it in the first layout there. Let's exit our command first, and then we see it. Okay, it's now okay. So this is how it looks. So if you want to print it out, you can just click Ctrl P, then it will come out. Okay, so once this comes, you can go on PDF there. Yeah, Foxy PDF printer. Then you can use that and print it out. So when you print to bring something like this, then you can save it. So it's saving. Once it's done saving, it's going to bring something like a PDF. Yeah, so okay, so this is our drawing. So after printing it out, this is what it will bring. Let me just do this. Rotate. Where is the rotation button? Okay, So this is how it's looking. So this is the drawing that we've made. So this is how simple things are. See you in the next tutorial video. If you have any questions or any drawings that you would like us to do together, you can simply just inbox me on WhatsApp, or you can just comment in the comment section there, and then I'll see the question, and then I'll make a tutorial on that question so that you are clear. So thank you very much for watching today's tutorial. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out the videos that I'll be posting. It's not only in drawing, but I also post some videos on mathematics and other courses. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom.